Kuzazambala, Namaste. Good morning to all respected viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga session, Embassy of India, Tirupur, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Cultural Center. I am yoga teacher KVSSN Murthy here. So today I would like to recite a very important sloka from Bhagavad Gita regarding yoga abhyas, yoga practices. This is an order, or it's a command from the Sri Krishna to Arjuna. Tapasvibhyo adhiko yogi jnanibhyo vimatodikaha karmi vischadiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. A true yoga practitioner who is doing a right practices in front of a qualified guru, a true yoga practitioner, is superior than the ascetic, a tapasvi, and a superior than the ritual performer, and a superior than the learned person also. So Sri Krishna saying that Tasmat Yogi Bhavarjuna. O Arjuna, we strive for to do yoga and yoga abhyas to balance the mind. So the practitioner who are doing yoga regularly, they can balance the mind, they can balance their attitude, they can balance their life affairs. That balance is very important, like in this material world also. Okay, now let's come into our Ayurveda workshop. So today also we are seeing a wonder preparation, home remedy, Ayurvedic home remedy to improve the eyesight. Here, this what we call mishri, crystal sugar mishri. Take 1 full teaspoon of mishri. Then here we have almond, badam, and take, first of all, make it wet, make it soak in overnight, 8 to 10 hours time. Then after that, take these seeds out and take that peel out, and after that make it powder and make that powder. It's looking like a brownish color. Then after that, I have direct somp powder. So somp is like a small eating stuff for mouth freshener. Immediately after meals, in our eastern countries, people are using that somp to give the mouth refreshment. So take that somp powder. That's also 1 teaspoon. So very simple preparation: crystal sugar mishri powder, badam powder after soaking the seeds. Then after that, somp powder. So to make this somp powder, you can slightly fry the seeds of the somps. After that, it can make powder. So all together mix in a glass of milk. If you have any milk allergies, now try to use this with a glass of water. Very simple. So no need to use milk if you have any issues. Okay, or you can use milk also. So I am now just adding. And this is badam powder. And this is mishri powder, crystal sugar powder. Alright. And very simple, mix this. No need to add sugar, no need to add honey. But still, if you want to add, you can add a pinch of haldi, turmeric inside, or no need to add haldi also, just mix it properly. So your preparation is ready. For the children who are under the age of 10-12 years, take 1 spoon of each, or it's the adult preparation or teenagers preparation, 2 to 3 spoons of each. Please remember, morning after eating breakfast, give 1 hour time. Then after that, drink this one. As well as you can consume this same preparation in the evenings also to improve the better eyesight. And moreover, in the eyesight management, do not go for overuse your mobiles or electronic gadgets, including computers. As well as try to always send your children outside for playing. Do not give the mobiles for playing. It's a very biggest crime. What we are doing crime is we are giving mobiles to the children to play. And second thing is, for general immunity, always take good advice from your physician and traditional medical doctor to use how to use Shilajit, as well as how to use Chyawanprash. So every day try to use these two things. Okay, now let's come to our yoga workshop. So as we know that I'm telling this one, IDY Preparations 2020 on the caption on the theme of Ghar Ghar Se Yoga, Yoga from the home. So for this occasion of yoga gatherings, do not come out. We are not allowed to come out to get togethers. So all of you please do yoga from your home only. And like on the way, Ministry of Ayush and Indian Council for Cultural Relations (ACCR) and Embassy of India Thimphu and Embassy of India Funseling announcing lots of events and lots of information, news, as well as regarding this International Day of Yoga, as well as they are also announcing the prize winners also. So try to have a watch in this four: Ministry of Ayush Facebook and Twitter links, Indian Council for Cultural Relations Facebook and Twitter links, and Embassy of India Thimphu Facebook and Twitter, and Embassy of India Funseling CG Office, Consul General Office Funseling Facebook and Twitter links. Please try to see for more information and more updates and more knowledge regarding IDY Preparations, International Day of Yoga. Okay, now let's come to our yoga workshop. So today we have child yoga. Okay, before doing our child yoga, let us finish our yoga sun salutations. Then take a long deep inhalations and exhalations. Then lift your both the arms completely up and keep your pranavasana at your chest. So have your extreme prayerful mood. Now I am trying to chant this Bijakshara and mantra related to sun salutations. Om Shram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Kagapusna Hiranya Gabha Maricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. Then slowly stretch your both the arms and lift your both the arms up and slightly put a back bend. Then after that, very slowly push the body forward as a standing forward bending. Then from there, touch your right leg back as an Asvasanchalanasana, horse riding posture. Very simple, effective posture to open the hip region and to stretch the pelvic, to make your thighs strengthening as well as to fit your abdomen also properly. Then keep your forward legs back as Dandasana, stick posture, and few seconds stay. Then very slowly push your body completely forward and Ashtanga Namaskarasana. After that, Bhujangasana, lifted head cobra posture. Completely lift the body till the knees or till the thighs are according to your balance and terminus. You can do 1, 2 and 3 cobra. Come to Parvatasana, mountain triangular posture, and few seconds stretch and stay now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then right leg must be your forward leg. Push your body completely forward and stay here. Again, hip stretching, Asva Sanchalanasana. And back leg straight and keep your back leg to the forward, Pada Hastasana. Then very slowly lift the both the hands up with inhalation, Hasta Uttanasana to Ardhachandrasana. Then very slowly come back and Pranavasana, release the postures and relax from the strain. Then very slowly keep your both hands out and relaxation enough. Okay, this sun salutation have the total form of exercises: forward bend to back bend and sleeping, and as well as Parvatasana, semi-inverted postures. So this is a complete set. If you have no time to do anything, just try to perform the sun salutations every day. It's 2 to 3 or 6 even. According to your number, you can go reach to 12 to 24 also. Okay, now take a long inhalation. As per our Wednesday schedule, today we have chair exercises. Then first sit properly and take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. Feel convenient deep relaxation. Especially this probe chair is very useful and very beneficial to everyone. In your office also, at your free time, whenever body required a squeeze or turn or bend, immediately do. If the situations and environment will permits you to do a simple exercise, please do. If your neck is saying that please stretch, because of the environmental condition, don't make yourself like a physical depression posture. Just once completely stretch the body and lift your chin and few seconds stretch and stay now. Because of our office work, because of our works which can be performed on the chair, our physical body is getting depression. That's very important. The physical depression is caused to mental depression again. So if you are physically straight and physically fit, then obviously the stress levels will be low. Please remember. Then okay, now we are doing now warrior posture. Yesterday all you are watching our Embassy of India Facebook, Embassy of India Thimphu Twitter, we posted Veerabhadrasan, warrior posture. Today also I am doing the same posture while using the chair hand. Okay, now stretch your right side leg to the properly right side, and second leg must be in the alignment of back leg. And first check your forward leg and back leg convenience. Then after that, very slowly open your two hands, stretch side and few seconds stay here. So in this chair exercise, warrior posture will be very simple and very easy because your body weight is on the chair. And stay here for a while. 1, 2, 3 and 4, relaxation, and then slowly come back, release and relaxation. And very slowly turn to opposite side and stretch your right leg to the opposite side leg, left leg to the left side properly. Keep that ankle flat on the ground. Then turn towards your folded leg side, and after that wide your two hands and few seconds stay here. Again here also exactly see your both hands must come in a exact sides and stay for a while. See your folded leg sides hand and stay now. 1, 2, 3 and 4 relaxations. Enough. Come back. Again take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. Once rest your thighs, rest your body. Same Veerabhadrasan, arm lifted posture again doing. I'm now doing the first side. Turn towards your right or left side. So put your one leg fold, stretch your that back leg properly, flat your ankle. Then after that, then very slowly wide your both the arms, lift your both the arms and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly release. And very slowly relaxation. Then opposite side, same thing, turn the body and completely stretch. Back leg straight, flat your back leg ankle, and forward leg must be like bent, folded. Then lift your both the arms completely up. Here keep your both the arms together behind the ears but about to the head, stretch them up and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then very slowly come back, release and relaxation. Enough, come straight. Then very slowly turn. This is easiest and simplest practice. But you have still intention to do some of the advanced postures, especially in the standing. I am now showing one advanced standing balancing posture. So observe carefully. Make sure that please use that two chairs for your chair balance and for your body balance. Okay. Then after that, like stand and come forward and make your body flat. So this is actually one variation in the Setubandhasan bridge posture, but I am also doing the same Setubandhasan bridge posture hand variation. Dvihasta Stamba Setubandhasan I am doing with the chair variation. Then after that, very slowly turn towards your right side once to make your body free. Then left side once. Then after that, then towards your left side full turn, lift your right knee towards your chin and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly come back, release. Then very slowly go, get back for a while. Rest your hands, rest your fingers and rest your palms. Very simple and energetic exercise to maintain hands strength, to maintain your palm strength, as well as it is very good for your abdominal reduction, fat reduction at the abdomen also. At the same time, it is also good posture to tone your abdomen also. Okay, opposite side, same thing. Choose proper way of supporting the hands on the chair handles. Then just lift the body, walk forward towards your right side turn. Then after that, lift your left knee towards your chin and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very slowly come back. And very slowly release the posture and relaxation. Sit down. And take a long pause. For every posture, at present times we have many names, but out of them try to see the practices, how the practitioner is doing or how the teacher is doing. Doing practice is very important. Rather than seeing the more theories, try to see the classical Hatha Yoga theory from your teacher, then after that please perform. Okay, take again long and slow inhalation and exhalation. Then after that, I want to perform Anantasana with the chair help. Then keep your chair slightly back. Alright, try to sit properly. Now I'm requesting my video technician to come in front of me. Okay, take again long and slow deep inhalation and exhalation. So this is also one way advanced posture, as well as you can make it more simple also, but according to your convenience and according to your feel, please perform. And try to put your both the legs on the chair and few seconds stay. Observe your convenience. While doing the practices, if you have any cramps or any unevenness, immediately relax, and after that again resume the practices. Then try to lift your total body up and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's enough. 10 relaxations. Then very slowly come back. Then few seconds, then movement of your below hand, left hand or that concerned arm for rest. Then same exercise, opposite side, just shift your chair, or you can turn opposite side. This time also, first put your both the legs on the chair and check your convenience. Okay, then after that, keep your below arm properly support as a pillar. Then lift the total body up. Again, few seconds stay here and lift your above hand and look up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then slowly come back, release the posture and relaxations. Again, rest your hand, rest your palm. So please remember, yoga practices itself self-body weight training. It is itself included body like weightlifting or body weight training. And okay, take just long inhalation, exhalation. Okay, with this, we are at the conclusion of physical practices and coming to our pranayama practices. Yesterday also we have pranayama sloka, Kapalabhati and Bhramari sloka. Yesterday and day before yesterday, while mentioning this Bhramari sloka, I used the word Brusga and Brusgi, as well as it is also called as Brunga and Brungi. But in traditional classical Hatha Yoga text, it's called as a Brunga and Brungi only. Today I will rectify that sloka. But let me finish the Kapalabhati sloka as well as practices. Today also we are doing Bhramari pranayam and Kriya, Bastrika Kriya, as well as regular breath. Okay, take your positions and sit on the chairs or comfortably on any soft surface. Bastrava loha karasya recha purau sasambhramau Kapalabhatir vikhyata kapadosha visoshini. And this is Hatha Yoga recitation of the Kapalabhati, Kapadosha Visoshini. And as Bhramari, coming to Bhramari pranayam, it is saying that Vagha Dosha Purakam Brunganadam Brungi Nadam, like male and female dragonfly sounds. Brunganadam Brungi Nadam. रेचनम मंद मंदम योगींद्रनामेवम अभ्यास योगा चित्ते जाता का चिदानंद लीला. Chidananda Leela is a highlight word in this Bhramari Pranayama, because once you will make sound of Brunga male or Brungi female dragonfly sounds continuously, then the practitioner, the yogi, the practitioner who is called as Yogendra, like will feel that Chidananda Leela. He will feel some kind of happiness or bliss which is beyond the mind status. Because of this Bhramara and Bhramari pranayams, we can feel that kind of self-internal peacefulness. Here, Chidananda Leela means it's not actually material happiness, it's a happiness related to spirituality. Okay, let's finish our Kapalabhati first. Keep your position straight. If possible, stretch your both the arms forward for more awareness. Put your chin mudra, concentration on your breath. Then inhalation and breathe out. Again, slowly inhalation, breathe out. Inhalation, breathe out. Inhalation, breathe out. Last Kapalabhati, fifth stroke, inhalation, breathe out. Okay, take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. A regular breath. Take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Second spell, long, deep inhalation and exhalation. Third, last count, long, deep inhalation and exhalation. So to making a try, I am doing Bhramari Pranayam. Not Bhramara Pranayam, Bhramari Pranayam. Bhramari Pranayam is a female dragonfly sound that has to come with the breathe out only. So while closing your eyes and ears, according to your time, you can go for 5 repetitions, but just now I am going to only one making the sound. Start. Slowly inhale. Alright. According to your time limit, you can just repeat 3 to 5 times or even 11 times or any count. Then after that, again regular breathe in and regular breathe out. Again regular breathe in, regular breathe out. After practices, and now give time for your concentration practices, Ekagrata Abhyas, what we are generally calling as meditation, but not meditation, the word not really suitable word. This is Ekagrata Abhyas or Trataka Abhyas. In Hatha Yoga, after Trataka only one can achieve the state of meditation. So let's come to the ending. After finishing your practices, try to give again 10 minutes time for your Shavasana Yoga Nidra Abhyas. And after practices, yoga practices, give at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes time to take bath, as well as at least 25 to half an hour, 25 minutes to half an hour time to eat your breakfast. But while doing the pranayam, like just commencing, just before the pranayam, please drink some small sip of water. That's also needed while doing in your pranayam practices. Okay, now here we are at the conclusion of the today's class. Please remember, IDY International Day of Yoga 2020 is a different caption, a different theme called Ghar Ghar Se Yoga. It's a very useful yoga. It's a very ancient caption, because in the ancient living days, people didn't come out to get together, especially yoga practices. They are doing their yoga practices in the home only. So that yoga called as a Rahasya Vidya. Rahasya Vidya means one should not elevate, or one should not give the idea what he is doing to others. One has to experience because of by his own self practices. After taking experiences only, one can easily tell others. So that Yoga Vidya also called as Rahasya Vidya. So I am requesting all Actually, as you are seeing our yoga videos, online videos from your home only, try to take your time to do yoga for your self practices, and take self motivation, take self inspiration. So always be very calm and be very positive and be very active and be very alert. So do not give any chance to taking over stress, overload of stress, overload of fear. Always be spiritual, try to chant mantra or do puja or do anything to spiritual practices. And always mingle with your teachers and mingle with your friends and always associate with your family members. If you have any tough times, please go to the even doctors also to talk freely. Do not take any extreme decisions when you are stressed and when you are in depression. And please watch our Embassy of India Thimphu Facebook and Twitter, Embassy of India Funsaling CG Office Facebook and Twitter, as well as Ministry of Ayush Indian Government Facebook and Twitter, as well as Indian Council for Cultural Relations Facebook and Twitter, to take more motivation, to take more inspirational news and more inspirational events on the IDY International Day of Yoga preparations. Okay, thanking you all to giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.